many faces, so many races, different voices, different choices. And some are mad while others laugh. Some live alone with no better half. Others grieve while others curse, and others born behind big black herds. And some are pure and some are bred, and some are sober and some are wasted, and some are rich because of faith, and some are poor with no food on their plate. Some stand out while others blend, and some are fathers while some are dead, and some are friends and some are fools. Some have some while some have moves. Yeah, yeah. So every color, every hue is represented by me and you. Take a slide in this globe. Take a look in the kaleidoscope. Spin around, make it swirl in this kaleidoscope world. Whoa, yeah. Some are good and some are pure. Others lies while some are tell us the truth. And some are save once and some are do sing. Another sing through the guitar strings. Some know it all now, some are dumb. Oh, did the bass like drum or the bang on the drum. Some can swim while some will sing, and some will find their minds in anything. And others walk while others run. You can talk this in have a gun. Some are hurt and start to cry. Don't ask me how, don't ask me why. And some are friends and some are fools. Some of some will have some to move. Yeah, yeah. Oh, every color, every hue represented by me and you. Take a slide in the snow. Take a look and the kaleidoscope. Spin around, make it swirl in this kaleidoscope world. In this kaleidoscope world. In this kaleidoscope world. Oh, one spinning around, make it fun and fall in this kaleidoscope world. Spinning around, make it fun and fall in this kaleidoscope world. Spinning around, make it fun and fall in this kaleidoscope world. Spinning around, in this kaleidoscope world. In this kaleidoscope world. In this kaleidoscope world. In this kaleidoscope
What's up mga katropa? Kung nagustuhan yung aming mga reggae song cover, please huwag din nakalimutan mag-subscribe, and please don't forget to hit the bell para update kayo sa mga reggae songs natin. Maraming salamat po sa patuloy na suporta. Thank you so much. God bless.
Umana